Good morning. This is a case study of material handling. Let us discuss here case study of material handling. Material handling is a process of handling the materials easily to avoid making delay in carrying the materials to one place to another place. Particularly in industries, the material handling takes an important role. For example, you know what is the lead time? Know what is the lead time? There are various lead times. For manufacturing lead time, it means that from the beginning of the process of a particular product till the end of the completion of the manufacturing, we need to handle the material. Whatever may be the material, we have to purchase the material initially. After getting purchased the material will be stored in a inventory place. After that, it will be carried into the machine shop. The material may be of minimum weight to maximum weight. It might be depending upon the operation we need to carry forward. In earlier days, we were following lot of equipments manually. For example, for making the Pragadishwara temple in Tanjore, they kept a ball on the top of the tower. To carry that ball on the top of the tower, they provided a sand bed for a long period and they used for long distance, and they used elephants to carry the ball to the top. The weight of the ball is approximately 10 tons. But nowadays we are using so many handling equipments, like automated guided vehicle. It is used in the industries where everything is getting automated. Automated guided vehicles. There are so many types of automated guided vehicles. In earlier days, the handling the material was very tough task. For moving the material, initially the material was taken and it was like carrying like this way. For example, this is a material. Okay, they were taking it from one place to another place. They were carrying on the floor like this way. After that, they found a difficulty and there was a friction on that. Because of that, wear and tear happens. They provided a wheel. Because of the wheel, they found some easiness for taking the material from one place to another place. After that, slowly they found the electrical system, conveyor belts, forklifts, and so many other instruments to take the material from one place to another place. Because of that, the friction was avoided, the life of the material got improved, and the cost was saved, the time was very less. So day by day, they provided so many improvements to handle the materials. The material handling varies in place to place. For example, if it is a smaller industries, for making n number of pieces, there will be smaller pieces. They may have a small kind of trolleys to take the material from one place to another place. The trolleys are used. If they are having so many products manufactured and they are getting stored in a warehouse. Warehouse is a place where the area is so huge, and they will provide stories. First floor, second floor, third floor, like that. They were keeping the material in stories. Okay, for lifting the material they were using forklifts. The forklifts are the equipments which are used to handle the material without getting any damage. Okay. Similarly, we have so many type of material handling devices. Depending upon our requirement, the material handling devices varies. Thank you.